In this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how long it takes to get monetized on every single social media platform. And the only reason I know this works is because I've actually made money across these social media platforms, and it's been a very long process of me manually getting monetized on each of these platforms after I've grown my accounts to over 1 million followers across platforms. I go by Fly Juggler on the internet, and yes, that's me. I post juggling videos online professionally. Yeah. So I'm going to be going through each social media platform, how their monetization works, and then how long it actually took me to get monetized, and then give you a realistic idea of how long it might take you to get monetized, starting with a platform that most people consider to be the most rewarding, which is YouTube long form. Let's get right into it. And for context, everything I will be talking about in this video will be using the social media monetization cheat sheet that I made, which I will conveniently leave the link for you in the description because I'm such a generous and nice guy. But scrolling down on this cheat sheet, we have YouTube long form, and this cheat sheet will explain exactly how it works, what the monetization requirements are, and then I'll give you my personal experience on how long this actually tends to take. So when it comes to YouTube long form, the requirements to get monetized are basically 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months, and at least 1,000 subscribers. Well, we can work in reverse to try to better understand how long it would actually take to achieve this goal. So for example, how many views would it actually take to hit 4,000 watch hours on YouTube? Well, we can start by looking at the channel that you're actually watching this video on right now and look at the analytics on my channel. So this is my channel, Money My News. You can see in the past 28 days, not to flex on you guys, but I have made $600 in ad revenue. So I am actually balling pretty hard. But if we actually go to the analytics and click on see more, we can look at this metric right here called average view duration. So I'm just going to turn everything off and look at average view duration, which will basically just show me on average how much does every single one of my videos get viewed for. And if we look in just the past 28 days, my average view duration is 2 minutes and 33 seconds, which actually isn't that much. If I go maybe to the past 90 days, no, it's basically the same over the past 90 days. Let me check over the past year, and basically the same over the past year, maybe even a little bit lower over the past year. So I guess that means I've gotten a little better. Basically, we're looking at 2.5 minutes out of 60 minutes in an hour. So on an average view that I have, I get 0.04 watch hours per view that I get. So then the question is that if I need 4,000 watch hours and I divide by how many average watch hours I get per view, then I'll just get how many views I actually need to get monetized on YouTube, which in this case, it looks like 96,000 views is how many views I need in a year to get monetized on YouTube. So if I divide that by the 365 days there are in a year, that means I need to get 263 views per day on average across a year to get monetized on YouTube, which honestly, this is pretty hard. And it actually took me a pretty long time before I was able to get this. Now, if we look at my analytics and look at lifetime, we can see that this is very deceiving because a lot of my views originally came from shorts, but I did not get monetized until I had one main long form video pop off, which was honey scam explained in 3 minutes. This was basically talking about that viral honey scam, and I realized there was kind of a good opportunity here because this is already going viral, but the main video is super long. So if I just take the same video but explain it in a way that's much shorter and easy for people to understand, and if you look, you can see this video right here got me 120,000 views, and this video alone got me over 4,000 watch hours, which means that this video alone, pretty much over a year, maybe a little longer than a year, could have gotten me monetized on YouTube. Now, luckily, I had that video going, and as well a couple other videos that I made about Snapchat, which are doing pretty well, and that's what's actually getting me over that threshold. Now, if you look over the course of the year, most of my videos don't get that many views, right? A lot of them get like 5 to 10,000 maybe. Some of them even only get like 1,000 views on YouTube long form. But then I have a couple videos that will pop off and do really well, like this one at 275K or this one at 120K. And if you can get videos like that, it's usually going to be those 3 or 4 videos that you have that are pretty viral that will push you over the edge for monetization. Now, don't get me wrong, finding a good video to post that's in a good place on YouTube that will actually get views, and then actually making a good video of something that people want to watch, it's hard and it takes a lot of time. So just to like show you guys here, my first videos around here were like so bad comparatively. I have videos of me in 2023 just talking to the camera. I ended up privating a lot of these. And yeah, like a lot of my original videos were getting like 200 views, 500 views. Some of them would even get like under 100 views. And then probably around November of 2024 is when I started saying, okay, I think if I took this more seriously, I'd be able to gain more followers. And I made some videos about Snapchat, and those were the initial ones that popped off and finally got me over the threshold. So that got me 20,000 views here, 24,000 views here, 120,000 views here. And that's when I realized I could get monetized on YouTube. So For me, it took over a year of consistent posting, but that's basically what it takes. I think if you're very, very dedicated when it comes to posting on YouTube long form, you could get monetized in like 3 to 6 months, but you have to be good on camera and you have to find a killer niche where a lot of people want to see what you're posting, but not that many other people are posting about it. If you find a niche like that and you're a killer on camera, you'll be able to do very well and get monetized quickly on YouTube. Otherwise, if you're just starting out and not comfortable on camera, I would expect it to take at least 1 to 2 years of consistent posting at least 1 to 3 times per week before you ever expect to get monetized on YouTube. That's my experience at least. And by the way, when you're looking at these thresholds, really 4,000 watch hours is the only thing that matters, because there's almost no way that you're going to be able to hit 4,000 watch hours without achieving 1,000 subscribers. Definitely just focus on getting the watch hours and the subscribers will almost definitely come. And again, I think if you're new to YouTube, it'll probably take you around 1 to 2 years to get this within the past 12 months. So with that being said, let's move on to the next platform, which is YouTube Shorts. Now, YouTube Shorts is something I can speak to because I have a juggling channel. Yep. A juggling channel posting YouTube Shorts. And you can see I've had multiple videos here that have gotten 18 million, 14 million. So a bunch of videos I posted have gotten over 10 million views on YouTube Shorts. And in just the past 90 days, it's made over $4,000 in revenue. And that's just from AdSense, by the way. I have some other sources, which I'll talk about. But yeah, the question is, how long does it actually take to get monetized on here? Well, to get monetized on YouTube Shorts, you need at least 10 million engaged Shorts views in the past 90 days. And then you need at least 1,000 subscribers. Now, again, this is one of those scenarios where if you hit the view goal, you're like 1,000% gonna hit the subscriber goal. So don't worry about getting to 1,000 subscribers. I would just focus on getting 10 million engaged Shorts views, because that's by far the harder part. And if you get that, you're pretty much automatically gonna get all the subscribers you need. So firstly, what is an engaged view? Well, an engaged view is basically just someone who watches your YouTube short but doesn't swipe away. So if I open an incognito tab and I go on YouTube Shorts and I scroll on a new YouTube short, but then I immediately swipe away like this, all of these count as a view, but none of them count as an engaged view. And on YouTube, it actually shows you what percentage of people were engaged views on each video. So if I go to my YouTube Shorts, I'll sort by my most viewed video. I'll sort by a video I posted the other day. So this one right here with 20,000 views. If I click on analytics here, it says that I have 21,000 views, but if I go under engagement, you can see it only counted as 13.6 engaged views. And that's because 21.6% of people swiped away just as the video started. So none of those counted as an engaged view, and none of those counted towards the revenue, which is a whopping $2 that this video has made. So on YouTube, when someone shows you their revenue and says, oh, look, I'm getting 22 cents per 1,000 views, they're actually talking about 22 cents per 1,000 engaged views. So that probably means you need to get closer to like 15 million views to actually get 10 million engaged views. And you need to get it within a 90-day period, which makes it actually pretty hard. Now, I want to show you how long this can actually take, because my first video on YouTube was uploaded around 3 years ago, as you can see right here. And it took me a really long time of posting on YouTube to actually get monetized. So like, I'll scroll down and show you all my YouTube Shorts right here. And these are whole like YouTube Shorts that I was posting and posting and posting. And none of these videos were enough to get me monetized. Like, this was probably months and months and months. Again, probably a year, maybe even more than a year of posting before I was able to get monetized on YouTube. Again, after I've posted for a really, really long time on here, I finally got one that got like 3.2 million views here. And I got one of these follow the red ball videos that got to 14 million views. And that's what basically pushed me over the edge. I had another one here that got 7.6 million. And so YouTube is a little bit like momentum based. So if you're posting videos and you get one viral one, sometimes it can kind of cause other videos on your channel to go viral as well. So yeah, but just understand, like, you might have to post a lot, right? I'm about to scroll and show you how many posts it took. Look at how many posts I made on YouTube before I got monetized. Now, luckily I got monetized on other platforms before I got monetized on YouTube, so it was still worth it for me, but it probably took me over a year of posting. But I think if you know what you're doing when it comes to YouTube Shorts, most people probably could get monetized within 3 months, because the thing is, you don't need to be able to go viral consistently. You really need to target getting a couple viral outlier videos, and one single video alone could monetize you. So like this video right here, how to juggle inverted box, it got 18 million views. So just that single video automatically monetizes me, because that definitely would equate to 10 million engaged views. Same with these two videos. And if I didn't want to get it all done in one shot, it might take 2 or 3 videos, but one that got like 5 million, one that got 7 million, and maybe one that got like 2.5 million. But that's typically the way it works on YouTube. Like, most of my videos have like under 100,000 views. And then I have a couple tiny select few videos that have done extremely well. And those account for pretty much all of what gets me monetized and all of the revenue that I make from AdSense. So with that being said, I want to show you a platform that you can probably get monetized on quicker, and it's TikTok. So on TikTok, I now have 295,000 followers. And I'm monetized on TikTok as well. In fact, in the past 60 days, I made $3,200 in revenue. And I think TikTok is actually one of the easier platforms to get monetized on. The only requirement for TikTok that's actually difficult is that you have to have at least 10,000 followers. The only other thing is that you have to get at least 100,000 views in the past 30 days, but on short form content, that's like absurdly easy. If you just post frequently enough, you're pretty much guaranteed to hit that. And then on top of that, your videos must be at least 1 minute long, which that might be one of the harder parts, but it's definitely pretty achievable. You'll still be monetized even if you don't post videos over 1 minute long, but you're not gonna make money from any videos that you post unless they are over 1 minute long. So if we just do a little bit of math and work backwards from this, if you only need 10,000 followers and you can get an average of 2% of people who watch your video to follow you, you only really need 500,000 total views. If we want to even say you only get 1% to follow you, you then only need 1 million total views on TikTok before you can get monetized. And to break this down once again, if we sort my TikTok videos by popular, I have videos that have 17 million views, 12 million, 12 million, 14 million, 6 million, 26 million views. So TikTok is one of those platforms where you post on it, most of your videos do nothing, but anyone, even if you have 0 followers, has the chance to get a video that really pops off and trends and goes viral, which I think is awesome. It's genuinely completely democratizing the landscape of being able to post, get views, and actually make money from content. And it actually rewards people who are more skilled rather than rewarding people just based on like randomness or luck or like building a following. It means that anyone could come in and get a lot of views, which I think is really good. That being said, if all you have to do is get your first million views on TikTok, I think most people could genuinely, realistically, get monetized in like 1 to 2 months. It depends on how good your follow rate is, but if you have a high follow rate, you'll get monetized very quickly. All you have to do is get enough videos that get the view threshold. And getting a video with like 10,000 views is not uncommon on TikTok. So if you think about it, you just need to post 100 videos that get 10,000 views a pop, or you could post 10 videos that get 100,000 views a pop, and that's all really possible. Or you can post and just get one video that gets 1 million views, which again, I've had many videos that have gotten 10 million views. So getting one video that gets 1 million views, that alone can get you past the 10,000 follower threshold if 1% of people from that follow you. So I think getting monetized on TikTok can happen pretty quickly. And at this point, you might be thinking, okay, well, YouTube, TikTok, and like, what are all the other platforms I need to post on so that I could get monetized on all of them? Well, you might be manually posting your content across all your platforms right now, but I want to tell you that there's a much easier way that I've been using for like the past 2 years, because I just use this software right here called Repurpose, which I'll leave in the description. You could just log in with Google really quickly and it's 100% free to start. And what it allows you to do is it allows you to set up automations between every social media platform so you can manually post to your main social media platform and it will automatically repost you to every other social media platform. So for example, I only manually post to Instagram and all of my content gets automatically reposted to X, Pinterest, Snapchat, YouTube, and TikTok, and that's what gets me monetized on all these platforms. So I recommend using Repurpose to get all your content on every social media platform at once, and that's why I wanted to go into the next platform that I've made a good amount of money from, which is Snapchat. So I'm not trying to pull out my phone right now, but just to show you what Snapchat earnings actually looks like is something like this. This was my earnings, I think it was a good bit of December, and yeah, $2,000 in the past month. And the way it works is basically something called Snapchat crystals. So Snapchat basically pays you in crystals, so 23,000 crystals here, and each crystal is worth 10 cents. So 23,000 crystals would be worth $2,300. You can see here on Snapchat, I have around 341,000 followers. And so this allows me to get monetized, get this little star by my name, that's called a Snap Star, and get monetized. Now, here's the thing, growing on Snapchat can be pretty quickly if you have viral content on your other platforms. So I personally just used my content, which was already viral on TikTok, and just used Repurpose to automatically repost it to Snapchat. And that's how I hit the 50,000 follower minimum. Then I recommend you actually just go in this cheat sheet and watch my full video guide on how you can get monetized on Snapchat. But basically, it's a lot of different steps. Once you hit the follower count, you have to apply to get a Snap Star. It's hard to get. There's agencies that can help you get it. It also helps if you are in the news in some capacity and you have news articles written about you. But once you get a Snapstar, that's when you can get monetized and you can make a lot of money from it. Now, I think for most people, getting the amount of publicity and notoriety that you need to get a Snapstar probably will take around a year. So don't expect for this to happen quickly, but it can also be a great source of revenue. Again, I think it will take around a year. So all of these side hustles, if you're posting consistently, I think really between 2 months to a year to maybe 2 years should be the full threshold of how long it would take to get monetized across everything. Which actually brings me to the last platform that I wanted to talk about in this video, which is Facebook. Now, to just show you guys this, I actually have 98,000 followers on Facebook, and a lot of people don't know this, but there is actually a version of a monetization program on Facebook. If I go here into professional dashboard, and then I go under monetization right here, and I scroll down, you can see that they have something called content monetization. Now, if I click on this, you can see that I actually applied and I'm on the wait list, but I haven't been accepted into it yet. And that's one of the unfortunate things with Facebook, which is that even if you have enough followers and you qualify, you can only just apply to the wait list and then they don't directly accept you. They just like might accept you over a certain amount of time. They never like directly accept you or don't accept you. I've applied and I haven't gotten in yet, which is why I don't have that much information in this section, but I still think posting on here is a good idea. And you probably can get monetized within a year or two for most people. That's at least based on the experience that I've seen with a couple of friends I have that are monetized. But just understand that like it's not guaranteed. So like with YouTube, if you hit this threshold, you're guaranteed to get in. With Facebook, you could get 10 million, trillion, billion, trillion views, followers, whatever, and you're still not guaranteed to get it. So like, just beware of that. So yeah, that's how long I think it actually takes to get monetized on every single social media platform. TikTok is the lowest, that probably could take around 2 months. Then we have YouTube Shorts, we have Snapchat, we have Facebook, and then Instagram doesn't really have a monetization feature right now. It has rare bonuses that most people don't even get access to. Oh, and then we have YouTube long form, which takes maybe 1 to 2 years of consistency. That's how long I think it would take for most people to get monetized on every single platform. Obviously, if you pop off earlier, you could get monetized earlier than that. But I think if you're working pretty hard, it's reasonable to get monetized within those timeframes. So with that being said, the mission with this channel is to bring transparency to the make money online space and actually show you guys how people make money. I hope I did that in this video by actually showing you guys my earnings. And as always, if you want to join our community with over 25,000 members, all focused on making money online, the MoneyMind Discord is in the description of this video. And as always, thank you guys all so much for watching. I'll catch you all in the next one, and peace.